Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make coconut roasted sweet potatoes. Cue the music. Well, thanks again for watching. If this is your first time watching, please do me a favor, head down to the right bottom corner and hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, well, you clicked on this video to watch me show you how to make coconut roasted sweet potatoes. So let's head over here and check out what our ingredients are. We're going to have a couple of sweet potatoes, of course. I got about 3 little sweet peppers here, some green onions, fresh garlic cloves, fresh ginger, and we're going to be using about 1/4 cup of coconut oil to make this all come together. So let's head to the kitchen and start our prep work. All right, since I have my peeler is in my knife bag at work in a file cabinet, I am going to just do these the best I can with the knife. I'm going to go ahead and peel our potatoes. Guess I could use a paring knife, but I'm going to just do this way, just to get all this skin off of here. Alright, now I've got those peeled. I'm going to go ahead and just take the knife through there, and I'm going to cube these into about 1-inch cubes. Get my finger out of there before I cut it off. We're going to do this with both potatoes. Alright, I've got them in the bowl here, all cut up into cubes. Now I'm going to, in descending order, I'm just going to take all the rest of the ingredients and add them into the bowl with the sweet potatoes. So I'm just going to take our peppers and I'm just going to kind of roughly chop these up. These are basically in here for color and for some flavor. Yeah, I just want to throw those in there too. I'm going to take about that much of the ginger. We're going to do the same thing we did with potatoes, and we're just going to peel these up. I'm sorry, we're just going to take the outer skin off with these and chop this, kind of mince it up. And throw it right in there with potatoes as well. Of course, our garlic here too, we're just gonna kind of smash that up. Take the outer peel off, and we're just gonna slice up the garlic as well. I get it all sliced up, and I'm gonna mince this up. And this gets thrown in there as well. Alright, we've got everything in there. I'm going to take about half of these scallions though, because I want to use the other half for a little bit of the garnish. We're just going to go ahead and slice these up. Alright, now I'm going to add the coconut oil, but before I do that I want to change the camera angle, so let's transition over to that. Alright, well, I've got the cubed sweet potatoes. We have our garlic, our ginger, our green onions, and our peppers. And then I got our coconut oil here. I zapped it in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to kind of loosen it up, because it is got like a lard or shortening like consistency if it's cold. And I'm going to put in probably about 1/4 cup. And what I want to do is I just want to stir all of this up before we throw it on the pan. So I want to mix all this together, and I'm just putting on a glove here because I don't want to get my hand all full of oil and the ingredients. So we're just going to blend this all up really nice. Cover everything. And then we're just going to put it right onto a sheet tray And then we're going to throw all of this into the oven for about 35 minutes. I'm going to rotate it halfway through on the oven for 350 degrees. And we're going to cook it until it is tender and soft and ready to eat. All right, there we go, right out of the oven. Sweet potatoes with peppers, ginger, garlic, a little bit of scallion in there. 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. I did rotate them halfway through. We are going to now put these onto a plate, decorate it up, make it pretty, take some pictures of it for social media, and then we are going to put some groovy music in that timeline with these pictures, and we're going to come back and taste it. So enjoy the music, enjoy the pictures. Alright, well there it is. I put a little bit of yogurt on top with some green onions. We're going to go ahead and give this a try. This really smells fantastic. So I am going to throw the camera up on a tripod and we will give this a taste. Alright, well here you go. Another look at it. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try with just the potato. The coconut milk definitely, or the coconut oil, definitely has a little bit of a creamy consistency to it. You can taste it on the outer layer of there. I'm going to get a little bit of other stuff on here now. You taste that ginger and the garlic. That's pretty much the first thing I get when I smelled it cooking in the oven, was that almost Asian infusion of the ginger and that garlic in there. I've got that yogurt on there, kind of gives it a nice tart cut into that sweetness and the creaminess of the potatoes. Now you can cook these potatoes even more. You could probably cook them to the point of mushiness and then blend all these flavors together, puree it up, and that would be good too. But this is really, really good. A little bit different. People add pineapples and all kinds of different stuff to sweet potatoes. This is a pretty good recipe. You know, I'm glad I could share it with you. This is really good. I'm going to have this with fish tomorrow night, so I had to make it to try it out. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate the fact that you joined us today for this show. We made sweet potatoes that were cooked in coconut oil and roasted in the oven. Thanks a lot for watching again. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Like this channel, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and then share this channel with everyone you know. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.